Let's again bring you more details on that breaking news. Attorney General has told the Supreme Court that cancellation of coal blocks will have huge economic ramifications, and that if indeed some cancellations have to be done, 46 coal blocks should be exempted from that. We've got Meenakshi, who was present at that hearing, and she's joining us on the phone line now. Meenakshi, clearly the government here looking for partial cover to at least ensure that those blocks who are on the verge of production should be exempted.
Well, absolutely. This is a very careful and a studied stand which the government is presenting before the Supreme Court. Even as we speak, the matter is underway. The Attorney General at the outset clarifying to the top court that there are 46 such coal blocks which are in a state of absolute readiness. This is exactly what the Attorney General has submitted before the Supreme Court, essentially implying that these coal blocks, these 46 coal blocks which are in a state of absolute readiness should be exempted from any cancellation because they are in optimum stages of being productive. And the Attorney General alongside has also submitted before the Supreme Court that there is an acute power crisis hovering over the country, and therefore the Supreme Court, if indeed it has to order any cancellation, should bear in mind the fact that apart from these 46 blocks which should be exempted, another 12 ultra power projects which had been exempted by the Supreme Court in the past should not come within the purview of exemption. And if at all the Supreme Court is mulling over the prospects of cancellation, remaining of the coal blocks, the Supreme Court perhaps pass any cancellation orders at the earliest so that the government can have an alternative plan to work on up its sleeves, and the government can go ahead with the auctioning of the remaining coal blocks ASAP. But what is very interesting is that the attorney's position before the Supreme Court is that of a lot of careful deliberation which the government is now presenting before the Supreme Court, and clearly of the opinion that insofar as these 46 coal blocks, which according to government are in a state of absolute readiness, are concerned, they should be clearly kept out of the ambit of cancellation, and also representing this side of the argument to the Supreme Court that there is acute power crisis which the country can be looking at, and therefore the Supreme Court really needs to mull over all the facts before it goes ahead and orders at any cancellation of any sort.
So,
back to you.
Meenakshi, can we expect a judgment from Supreme Court today itself on the cancellation, or not? Is Prashant Bhushan done with his arguments? What is the latest there?
Well, this is a hearing which will see a lot of twists and turns. Prashant Bhushan has submitted his side of the arguments.